Have you ever wanted a keyboard that's so aesthetic you physically can't use it? Join me in this magical journey to make the most cottagecore keyboard ever. If you've never had a chance to play with a flocking gun, boy are you missing out. To flock is to add a mist of fibres that can make any object fuzzy. In our case, I'm using the static feature on the gun to add grass block that stands up on end. If you slather anything in enough PVA glue, you can flock it. And yes, please take that as a challenge. With our keys all fuzzy and grassy, I moved on to the keyboard itself. I coloured my model magic with some acrylic paint, but it didn't really get as dark as I wanted, so I ended up painting on top of it anyway. I really wanted the base to look like those old mossy cobblestone walls, so I balled up some tinfoil and rolled it over the clay to add a stone texture. This is a great technique for both clay and foam as it allows you to get great depth while dry brushing. For the contents of the garden, I raided some old craft projects and gathered a selection of plants, moss, mushrooms, sticks, you name it. You may ask, what's the point in having a keyboard where you can't see what keys you're pressing? Well, what's the point in hanging up a work of art? If it brings you joy to look at, it's just that, a work of art. What aesthetic would you want?